Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we are going to clean the cache as well as the temp files from your Windows 10 or 11 version, any version you are using. Okay, so let's start without wasting your time. So first you can press Window plus R button together like this, or go to Windows search bar, then type for run, and you will see the run dialog box. You need to click on that, and you need to type a temp, T-E-M-P, and hit OK. Once you hit OK, you need to press Control A button and then Shift plus Delete button to delete all the cache inside your Windows temp file. Do this, skip, and leave some as default. Okay. Now again you need to press Window plus R button together, and this time you need to type percentage, T-E-M-P temp, percentage, and hit OK. Do the same thing, Control A to select all, Shift plus Delete button to delete. You can see almost 1 GB is free now. So let me skip this and leave. Let's wait. It's 99%. Okay, so let me minimize this option, and we need to press Window plus R button together and type a prefetch like this. Okay, and hit OK. After that, click on continue, and thereafter you need to press again Control A button and Shift plus Delete to delete all the prefetch files. And now you will see some cannot be done. Close this, and thereafter you need to press Window plus R button, type for cleanmgr, and hit OK. Or you can go to the file explorer, click. You need to right click on the C drive, then go to properties, and then click on disk cleanup, click on OK, and now checkbox all the options from here like this, and click on OK, delete. Now you can see it has become like blue. It was initially red, and you can see I have cleaned up almost 2 GB of data from my Windows. So hopefully you can follow the steps, and you can also clean your C drive with these steps. Okay, one thing another you can do, start menu, settings, after that this option, systems, storage, this option. Now you can also analyze from here, like which one is taking more memory, like which one is memory, temp files, whatever options you have, you can analyze from here. Like video is taking almost maximum from my point of view. Other, you can see it is calculating now. Show more categories you can also check, and this is how you can analyze that which application. Okay, now you can see system reserved with 23, other is, you can also check here, like VMs I am using here. Okay, and other things you can also check out here so deeply. Okay, and you can see here desktop, videos, other things, and you can also delete the temporary files from here. It is almost 2 GB. Or let me calculating this option. Now you need to tick all from here. Okay, all the options, temporary window files, and click on remove files. Okay, now you can see it is 8.76. Now it is cleaning up. Windows Update Cleanup 2.62 download 1.9. It is in a progress now, so we need to wait for some time. Now you can see it is increasing. 8.98. Now you can see it is 9 GB now. Okay, now we can analyze from here, like go to back option, and we need to again look for temporary files. It is still showing the same. Let me go to again systems, storage. Now temporary file is still showing there. It is scanning now. Okay, so it is still scanning, but you need to make sure that you are getting the temporary file 0 after that. And you can see here my result is almost 10 GB is free here. So this is how you can clean the temp file as well as the junk file from your Windows. So hope this video is useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.